grabs. You should have a whole thing: dal, chawal, sabji, and roti. And in the financial planning also, not having investment done, some policies here and there, few lakhs in FD and PPF is not a perfect financial planning. When we talk about financial planning, it covers 4-5 things. One is definitely investment planning, insurance planning. Third is loan planning, is leakages, what is going out of paper without knowing you much, how it can impact a lot in future. And definitely tax planning, retirement planning, estate planning are also part of the financial planning. So we have covered two major parts: investment planning and insurance planning. This is the leakage. We just first see the video first and then we discuss how a credit card or a loan can ruin your financial life if you don't understand the impact of the interest and other things in your life. What you notice when you use credit card?
When there is no option other than paying for it, like say for example, if you want to purchase an Air India ticket, the only option you have to pay is through credit card.
You don't go for hotels and everything. And
for that I use debit card.
You use debit card. What about any other person who want to share?
I swipe it by frequently.
For what?
Any reason.
Any reason.
Yeah.
I use definitely, but I use it for those 50 days.
45 days.
45 days.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. But what we saw, most of the time
What happens, you get tempted to buy
Yeah.
1 to 3 things.
There are two major things one should know before swiping the card. One is definitely you will buy more things which are not needed at that time. So if you have a credit card, you definitely swipe, but you have to pay cash, definitely you hesitate. आपने देखा ना 100 रुपीस लिया तो कितने लोगों ने कैसे कैसे लिया तो यही होता है, कैश से देंगे ना तकलीफ होगा, कैश से देंगे वही चीज खरीदेंगे जो आपको सही में चाहिए, जो जरूरी है, और क्रेडिट कार्ड से अगर आप स्वाइप करेंगे तो ऐसी चीज घर में आ जाएगी जिसको आप अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. तो जितना बचत होगा उतना ही आप सेव कर सकेंगे फ्यूचर के लिए. एंड सेकंड इज इंटरेस्ट रेट. 42 से 60% तक का इंटरेस्ट लगता है अगर आपने टाइम पे पैसा नहीं भरा. अगर ड्यू डेट में अगर आपने रोल ओवर किया 5% भर के तो बैलेंस इज व्हाट 42% to 60% डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द कंपनी टू कंपनी एंड बैंक टू बैंक. So when you swipe credit card, be assured that you swipe only for the things which are needed, or in case of emergency, credit card is very good to in case of emergency. Otherwise, it can ruin your financial life. Make sure you pay 100% amount of the at the end of the month. What is the bill cycle is there? Or try to use debit card, or preferably use cash. You will end up buying only the things which are needed and will not buy the things which are not needed at that time. How about loans? Loans are good or bad?
There are two types of loans, good loans and bad loans.
How you define that, good loan or bad loan?
Education loans and home loans are good loans, and card loans and personal loans, they are bad loans.
How many of you agree? He says education loan is a good loan, but car loan is not a good loan.
The moment you drive out a car, the value of it gets depreciated by 20%.
You say car depreciates by 20%.
The moment you drive it out from the showroom.
Okay. Yeah. And what about the home loan?
प्रॉपर्टी के प्राइसेस कभी नीचे नहीं जाते, हमेशा ऊपर ही जाते हैं. And you should not take a loan for buying it.
Property price never depreciate. That is separate topic we will discuss. But definitely एक अपना पैसा भी है टेस्ट. अभी आपको लाइफ में कभी भी लोन की जरूरत पड़े तो ये 3 टेस्ट को अगर आप ध्यान में रखेंगे तो आप कभी भी गलत लोन पे ना जाएंगे. ये 3 टेस्ट क्या है? Definitely there are good loans and bad loans. You rightly said. There is a triple A test. एक तो लोन ऐसी होनी चाहिए जो आपको असेट दे, जो आपके एसेट में वृद्धि करे. जैसे उन्होंने राइटली कहा कि होम लोन है, आपको लेना चाहिए. आज की डेट में व्हेन यू आर कॉम्पिटिटिव मार्केट अक्रॉस, यू शुड लुक एट द बेस्ट कॉम्पिटिटिव प्राइस. अगर दूसरी चीज है कि इनकम, तो कौन सी चीज इनकम को ऐड करती है, कौन सी लोन है? एजुकेशन, वन ऑफ द एजुकेशन. बट in the professional line today, car loan is also good loan, because traveling across India, traveling in the different places at a time, you cannot go without a car. So person like a CEO or VP of the company cannot go by a local vehicle. So sometimes it depends upon person to person whether car is a good loan or a bad loan. So second criteria is it should add to your income. So in some cases, car loan definitely adds to the income. There is no doubt about that. But if you just buy a car for your family outing and going out and just showing it to the society that I am owing a car, it definitely can spoil your future as far as the financial life is concerned. And the third thing is, it should be appropriate. Appropriate means मैं उतनी भर सकता हूँ. तो आपकी लोन उतनी ज्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए कि आपका पूरा जो भी सरप्लस है, जो भी आपका खर्चा है, उसके बाद जो भी सेविंग्स बचता है वो पूरा ईएमआई में चला जाएगा. अगर आपका एक्सपेंसिव और आपका ईएमआई बन जाने के बाद अगर आपके पास सरप्लस नहीं बचता है तो आप फ्यूचर के लिए इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं. That is the lesson. So whenever you swap credit card, when you buy loan, just see these are the major things. You pass all 3 A's before taking any loans, which can definitely help you not to buy any loans which are for the loans for consumption. कि टीवी ले लिया, फ्रिज ले लिया या गाड़ी ऐसे लग्जरीज के लिए ले ली, ये सब चीज आगे जाके परेशान हो सकती है. आप अपने फ्यूचर के लिए, अपने बच्चों के फ्यूचर के लिए